Long time no see. Go straight to the concealer first. Really love this plate lately. Especially moisturizing autumn and winter use will not card pattern card powder. The operation is also very simple. Belong to new. Essential oil concealer plate that is not easy to make mistakes by hand. These 4 colors match really well. Cover your dark circles with our salmon color first. Generally speaking, I just like to use my fingers. Our concealer. Because while there is temperature, the curvature also fits our faces very well. Still the same in salmon color. Improve the problems of gloom and dullness around our lips. Then use our skin green, this dark one. Concealer. Cover our red blood, etc. Comparison. Deep flaws. And our noses are red. I also like to use this greenish one. Dark concealer to cover. Give him a finger. Just shoot well. I'll also cover mine specially. Glasses indentation. He'll press at a spot and mark over there. I'll also cover it a little with this. In this set, the defects are basically covered, and it doesn't feel pink yet. Open the brush with lotion before applying foundation. The front and back of the brush must be glued. After brushing, its surface is as flat as paper. At this point, you can use it to brush the liquid foundation. At this time you brush, liquid foundation will be as smooth as silk. Stick firmly to the face without leaving brush marks. Just a little bit can be extended like this. This foundation brush works really well. Just spread it out for him directly with a puff. The base makeup is very porcelain and light, and very skin-friendly. Brighten up with this one. The position of the depression in the surface and the tear groove. Probably in the shape of a butterfly. Use the puff directly to follow this shape. Give him a pat. If you shoot it like this, the effect will look whole. The face has a lift. It feels, and then the flatness will be much higher. This is another blogger's way for me to learn. To be considerate, it feels good. The forehead part will be highlighted. The more concave place in the middle. Just pat it outside and take the triangle. Use this honey powder in this plate again. I didn't notice it at first. Use this honey powder alone. Set the part of the eye and the base of the pen. This powder is really good to wipe. It's the kind that has a dermabrasion after smearing it on. Feel. It works better than ordinary powder. Just focus on these two. Part in the face is fine. Otherwise, we will use normal natural color powder. Just order the full face. Zhurong is used this time. Is a more suitable olive. The kind of turning tray for leather. Still the same, First sort out the approximate shape of the entire nose. Draw a rhombus. I still like a big nose. Then directly connect the mountain root to the eye mask and repair it together. This time the grooming will be much lighter. And our grooming this time is not the point. The focus is on eye makeup. So our grooming this time is not the point. It will be lighter as a whole. Will be more every day. You can notice that I am now grooming. It only repairs the roots and noses. Then gradually smudge. Smudge up with fish meal. Take the bridge of your nose a little bit. Then use this directly to repair the appearance. Color gives a base to our eyelids. And our lower eyeshadow is also to be slapped. This one brightens. It has a little purple in it. Give us the whole bridge of the nose. Just do a brightening. It's very natural when it comes out. Not particularly blunt, and it can remove yellow gas a little bit. Use this warm apricot for the eyelids. Play a large-scale bottom as a whole. From the root of the eyelashes to the entire eyelid. Dye. Get him another clean brush. Because the color saturation is a bit high, use this dark brown again. Suppose. The position of the root of the eyelashes. A small brush is used here. And deepen the heel. Lower eyeshadow in the second half. Use a dark brown eyeliner pen. Fill in ours first. UA inner and outer eyeliner. I'm actually filling in the inner eyeliner here, but it may not be well drawn. The root of the eyelashes has not been fully filled, while inner and outer eyeliner for short. Still have to keep filling in. The inner eyeliner also needs to be filled in. Make the whole a little more complete. Filling in the inner eyeliner will make the eyes look more energetic. Oh, if the eyes are more sensitive, you can try it with eyeliner. Here it is filled with eyeliner pen. I also ordered a black eyeliner pen here. Deepen the layering a little bit. It won't be either black or brown. Double eyelids, we will paste the shape of a large flat fan. There you go. Pinch ours again. Real eyelash curler, brush the eyelashes as a base. Brush the mascara again. Then hold the mirror over your head and brush your eyelashes. And then use our brown eyeliner pen. Extend our inner eyeliner. External eyeliner. Extend out. Then, cause a feeling of that drooping eye. Kind of innocent. Connect the front here a little bit. Pull it out a little bit. That's about it. With this reddish brown. From the end of our eyeliner to draw a lower mole inside. And open a little eye. Take out our recent. Use this very light Aegyo cell plate. Just use this little brush inside it. Painting Aegyo saliva. This step is to continue to deepen. Turn lines into faces. To smudge our Aegyo sal. Give it. Smudged into a shadow. Use the sponge head again. Highlight our Aegyo sal. Here in beige matte highlights. Or brighten up Aegyo sal a little bit. I don't want the whole Aegyo sal to feel like a powder. Still want to be biased. Beige is better. By the way, to brighten our eyes. Blade brush this dark brown. Try our double eyelid front end. Here comes the eyelash link you most want to know. First, stick to the end of the eye. And the end of the eye is attached to the tail part. Is posted below. Because to create a kind of that. Do you feel drooping eyes? Then clip the real and false eyelashes together. Gently clip. Go to this reddish brown. Sketch our eyes a little. Drawn round. Eye makeup copy and paste. Use our blush. It's a very versatile color. Basically deepened in our silhouette section. Not too much. Transition into our face. And I use the method of poking and testing. Nose, bridge of nose. These are all a little bit. This blush. Chin too. Lip liner is still the same, nothing to say. In fact, deepen the corners of the mouth. The kind of lip liner that draws half a pack. Well, if you don't need a rear lip, you can actually omit this step. Use the other end of this lip brush to smudge it. Smudge naturally. Don't use obvious lines. Exist. Try to let him have a little bit of this flesh-colored yin. Shadow. Next, take out the lip gloss. I chose one that is very suitable for autumn and winter. Daily complexion color. Just apply it directly to the entire lower lip. This upper mouth is really moisturizing. It won't dry out or spread unevenly. And it seems to be quite lip protective. Smudge the edges with a lip brush. Just put a little poke on the upper lip. Put a little color in the middle of the upper lip. Then poke the edge of the upper lip with a lip brush. Smudge it. Smudge inside. The lip should also be smudged. Just a little bit more in the middle. This gloss is really amazing and the lip lines are gone. Sip it. Show.